Hi everybody, welcome to Decode Australia. Today is Monday, November the 23rd. My name is Tamer.
My name is Yvonne.
And we're going to be starting the Pound USD analysis.
The Great Britain pound inched higher against US dollar on Monday, increasing the price of the pound US pair to more than 1.3200 ahead of the release of UK Market Services PMI news. The technical bias remained bullish since the pound US pair printed a higher low in the recent downside move on the daily chart.
Okay, now this pair is currently strengthening around the 1.3289. If you look at the chart closely, you'll find the following resistance levels. Resistance 1 is 1.3376, which is the upper trend line arm. Second resistance is a 1.34 even, a psychological number. Finally, the third resistance is the 1.3479, a major horizontal resistance level.
And on the downside, the price of the pound US pair may find some critical support levels. The first support will be 1.3191, which is the 23.6% Fibonacci retracement. And the second support is 1.3118, which is the low of November 11th, 2020. And the third support will be 1.3010, which is the major horizontal support level. The technical bias might remain bullish as long as 1.3191, the key support level, remains intact.
Okay, so the news we need to be looking out for is the UK Market Services PMI. So the Chartered Institute of Purchasing and Supply and the Market Economics anticipates releasing data for the UK Market Services PMI later on today in the afternoon. So according to economists' estimates, a figure for the UK Market Services PMI registered a reading of 42.5 in November as compared to the numbers of 51.4 in the previous month.
The stats for the UK Market Services PMI reflect the prevailing economic condition of the services sector of the United Kingdom. It mainly constitutes the employment and sales data over the given time. It is worth mentioning here that the Market Services PMI stats do not have such a significant impact on the country's GDP as compared to the manufacturing sector.
However, it is still an important economic indicator provided that a major drop or rise is witnessed in these numbers. Generally speaking, a reading above 50 signals expansion, suggesting the bullish market for the pound US pair ahead and vice versa.
In conclusion, considering the price movement of the pair over the past few days, buying the pair around current levels might help to generate some quick profits.
Okay, now let's move on to the US-Swiss analysis.
The US dollar rose against the Swiss franc on Monday, increasing the price of the pair to more than 0.9100 ahead of the release of US durable goods orders news. The technical bias remained bearish since the Swiss franc pair printed a lower high in the recent upside move.
Okay, now this pair is currently trading around the 91.09. Once again, we're looking at the charts, we'll come across the following resistance levels. Resistance 1 is the 91.66, which is a trend line resistance. Second resistance is the 38.2% Fibonacci level at 91.91. And finally, the third resistance is the 92 even, a psychological number.
On the downside, the price of the US-Swiss pair may find some critical support levels, helping the pair to maintain in the following prices. The first support will be 0.9091, which is the low of November 20, 2020. And the second support will be 90 cents even, which is the psychological level. And the third support will be 0.8981, which is the major horizontal support level.
Now for some fundamental news. The news we're looking at, paying attention to, is the US durable goods orders news. So the US Census Bureau is set to release stats. Now for some news surrounding this pair, in particular it's the US durable goods orders news. The US Census Bureau to release stats concerning the US durable goods orders news on this Wednesday, the 25th of November, and according to economists' views, the reading for the US durable goods orders remained at 1% in October as compared to the reading of 1.9% in the previous month.
The US durable goods order stats reflect estimated costs of orders placed with the manufacturers of durable goods over the given period. Please note that durable goods such as appliances and motor vehicles are expected to have a useful life of a minimum of 3 years and above.
Okay, since the production of durable goods involves extensive financing, therefore it is a sensitive indicator to the US economy. The final figures indicate the production activity level of the United States. Generally speaking, the higher the reading suggests a bullish market for the US pair ahead, and vice versa.
Now, in conclusion, given the macroeconomic outlook of the pair over the past few days, selling the pair around current levels might be a worthwhile decision on short to medium-term trading.
Okay, and as always trade with your head, not your heart. Only trade with what you can afford to lose, and always apply strict money and risk management techniques.
Yes. And please also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our Facebook page, and follow our Instagram at Forex Decoded. If you like our videos, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you for watching.
Thanks. See you tomorrow.
See you.